Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy the asset in the Unity Asset Store for free. So viewers, watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Viewers, you can see that I have opened the Unity Asset Store and I have also logged into my account. You have to also do the same. After that you have to scroll down and you may or may not see. I will tell you the reason at the end of this video, which will be get a free gift. You have to simply then click on shop now, and then you have to copy the code by pressing Ctrl plus C, which will be uh, shown up to you. You can see this coupon code. After that you have to click on get your gift. Then viewers, you have to click on view in cart, and then you have to click on the checkout button. Then viewers, you have to fill up all the requirements, and you can see here I will paste that coupon. Above it you can see the text which is enter coupon credit code to update your price, and then you have to click on apply. After that you can see that the code is validating. Now you can see that to pay now is $0, so I have to pay $0, and I will also check this box, and then I will click on pay now button. You can see that the processing payment has started. Viewers, you can see that I have successfully bought the Make It Flow UGOI Events Framework asset, whose price was $20, and I have bought this asset for $0. I will open it in Unity. You can see that asset is opening in Unity. Viewers, you can see that the asset has opened, which is Make It Flow UGOI Events Framework. Now I can simply download it and then import it. Now viewers, coming to the reason that why you can't see this text which is get a free gift. Viewers, you can't see this text because this does not always shows up in the Unity Asset Store. It sometimes appear some publishers of the week give a get a free gift chance for the Unity Asset Store users, by which you can simply copy the code and then buy that asset for free. So you have to regularly check in the Unity Asset Store that either some publisher of the week has given this opportunity to buy the paid asset for free. Viewers, hope so you liked my video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, get information and knowledge.